Hi, my name is Jin Ling. I'm a master's student at HKU Business School, majoring in marketing. I enjoy exploring different areas of Hong Kong. Some of my favorite places to visit including Central and Tsim Sha Tsui, where there are many shops, restaurants, and attractions to discover. There are also many beautiful hiking trails in the surrounding area, which offer a great escape from the city. Finding a good place to live in Hong Kong can be challenging, especially for new university students. So it's important to start looking early and consider shared accommodation, which is not only more affordable, but also a great way to meet new people. Marketing program is valuable, especially in terms of its practical focus on real-world skill. We can provide insightful recommendations for actual companies. It's an exceptional method for gaining hands-on experience and developing a comprehensive understanding of industry. I would say that program was a good mix of both practical and technical elements. On the one hand, we learned a lot of practical skill, like how to develop marketing strategy, conduct market research, and create effective advertising campaign. At the same time, we also delved into more technical aspects of marketing, such as data analysis, digital marketing, and consumer behavior research. I have 5 key points to upcoming offer holders. Firstly, managing time effectively. Create a schedule that allows you to balance your coursework, internship, and other responsibilities. Secondly, embracing new challenges. Step outside of your comfort zone and tackle new challenges. Thirdly, building a relationship with professors and peers. Ask for feedback on your work and engage in class discussion. And then, developing research skill. Learn how to gather and analyze data and how to write a clear and concise research paper. Lastly, taking care of yourself. It's important to prioritize self-care during your postgraduate program. Thank you, HKU, for providing me with an invaluable education and experience that will benefit me for a lifetime.